Hey guys, Gary J here, and today we're on the way to the river, and it's starting to rain this morning, which, thing about rain, it lasts 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, that's about it. And we got our boat back here, a Waterbug. Okay, get that, there you go. And so, hopefully everything works out. I'm sure it will. But this rain should blow over hopefully pretty quick. This is like July 12th, 2022. So even though it's going to rain and all, it's going to come and go. So it's no big deal. I like fishing in the hot weather when it's raining anyway. Okay guys, we made it to the little river in Georgia. Drizzling rain. And I probably rain off and on today a little bit, but it's been raining for the last few days, so it won't last long. So be trying see if we can catch any brim and catfish today, and see what we can get into. Okay, that's where we at, guys. Okay. As we're going down the river here, the river here runs kind of east to west is the direction that it goes. And with it raining, drizzling like this, it's generally not good fly rod fishing when that happens. When the rain stops on the river, a lot of times when the rain stops, then give it just a little while, and usually the fish bite better after it stops raining. So, but again, we're going for catfish and brim, mainly because I like to fly rod fish. But it's starting to drizzle again, which that's fine. This is the boat ramp right here. It's a nice boat ramp. It's got a nice incline down, or decline down, so it'll handle most boats there. Not a lot of people fish over here, to be honest with you. Not a lot of people fish right in here. Now, I had seen fish pop the water over here, so I think I'm going to try just to see if anything's right in there. I have caught brim right over here. And if you find a spot where the brim are at, sometimes you can catch 12 or 20. I've even caught 50 brim in one spot. If you fish out of that spot, you won't catch anything, but it's got to be in that one particular area, which can be like, I don't know, 8-10 feet in diameter. Well, it's kind of raining a little bit harder, so I know those fish are probably not going to hit with the rain, because that kind of confuses things when you're fishing with a fly rod. Mr. Beaver coming our way. I hope it's Mr. Beaver. Who's down there? Ooh, there he was right there. A good way to get a shot. Oh, there he is, right? You see him right there? He came straight along this line right here. And I'll see. He went down somewhere in here. There he is. Using his blow it up a little bit more in editing, but I saw something. He was hard to see what it was, so I pulled out my pistola because I didn't know 100% what he was. I got snake shot and bullets in here, so I was ready for him. And then he came up within 1.5 feet of the boat. It came up and then went down underneath the boat and just kept going his path, and then he cut across the river right here. Right there is a moccasin. And you see how quiet they are. They can come up to your boat like that. You won't know it until you just happen to look over there and see him. Now, he's not a threat to me, so there's no reason for me to shoot him. Because, I mean, he's going over there. And if he was coming toward me, yeah, if he was coming toward my boat, there would be a reason for me to shoot him. And what he'll do is crawl up on these limbs right here and just look like a limb and play dead and wait till a bird comes in and lands there. And that's what they like to do. Let's see how close we can get to him before he flies. He's about 4 feet tall, looks like. Watch me, he'll stop using his wings and just glide. Just gliding. Beautiful herring. Still tapping. Oh, we got him. Well, I thought we had him. Yeah, we do have him. What do we got? Is that what all this mess is about, you? Isn't he pretty? Yeah. Look at him. Isn't he a beautiful cat? He's too little, though. Yeah. You gotta watch the fins on these things. But see look how beautiful this cat is. This cat is absolutely beautiful. He is so pretty. There's one beautiful fish right there. Hope it's in focus with the GoPro. Wow, you are so pretty. Oh, I see the end of that hook. That's good. These fins right here, this one up here, and the dorsal fin, and his transverse fins, these things are like sharp as razor blades. They will stick you. Whoo, Lord have mercy. And some of them have like barbs on it with like poison. You get stuck, it's hard to pull them out of your hand. Especially these little ones. That's just like a needle. Those barbs right there. Catfish, you can take them out of the water, it seems like, for an hour and it won't bother them. So, all right. Okay, guys, we got something on this one. What can it be? This is my heavy duty rod right here. Man, he's going out there too, man. I don't want to put too much pressure on him because I just got like 10 pound. Well, this is probably 15-pound line here. Whoa! He's pulling, he's stripping the line there. He didn't feel that big, but he does now. That's why it's so important to set your drag, friends. Set your drag right. Because if this drag was too tight, he'd have broke that line right then. So all I'm doing is playing him down right now and trying to reel him in. I got pressure on him. Oh boy. Well, he's going to be a decent sized one. Maybe that 5 or 6 pound range. I'm glad he's on this rod here. That's my Shimano fighting rod. Whoa, yeah. Pulled pretty hard on that one. Oh, yeah, he's pulling hard right there. I'm just trying to wear him down a little bit. Ooh, boy. When he takes off, he takes off. Oh, man. And I'm getting to see him now. I'm fishing about 15, 20 foot deep, I think. Oh, man, he just been my heavy duty rod double here. Whoa. Let's see. Oh, he's a lot bigger than a kitty fish for sure. Oh, man. Well, I'd say he's in that 6 pound range right there. You were good size, Junior. Oh, now isn't that a pretty catfish right there? Isn't he pretty? You gonna talk, Junior? Wow. For a minute there, Junior, I thought you were gonna break my line. Oh, Junior. And Junior's about, Junior's good 6 pounds. Oh, Junior, see how easy that came out right there? Wasn't much holding you on there, Junior. But I'm just trying to think. I've had 5 and 6 pounds here, so it. It'll be interesting. I got ice in there, so this little net right here has been really helpful, even on these 6 pound, well, 5, 6, 7 pound cats. And now, what I generally do with them like that is, of course, you're gonna fillet these kind of a lot of times. So, but man, he's shaking it up there. I was fishing over here. It's a little shallow. It's like 10, 12 feet. I was catching like little kitty fish. We call them small catfish. And so I don't like those because they're too small. So I fish in a little bit deeper water. And lo and behold, he hits on my heavy duty rod. And you see this gold hook right here. That's usually the kind of hook you use for crappie, but it's big enough for these kind of fish. But he almost got this hook out of his mouth. Almost. Isn't that amazing? Because, I mean, all I had to do was just pull it right out, and it just came right out. So you got to keep tension on these fish all the time. Keep tension. Otherwise, they can get that hook out sometime. But, yeah, that was fun. That much more fun than that on the river. I'm telling you. Now, that's another thing. When you have the small ones, there's a gar right there, I'm pretty sure. When you have the small ones, they just kind of tug on your rod tip a little bit. But then when you have one of these, they just take your rod. If you're not paying attention, they'll take your rod into the water. So, yeah, that's fun right there. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, we're still back in this cove right here. I'm just checking my GoPro battery. It's about 25% left. I got my other GoPro camera too, in case this one goes dead, which I know it will. And I'm gonna tell you this. I hope you try to. Fly rod fishing is not hard to do. Ooh, one pulled it underneath the water right there. Fly rod fishing is not hard. I mean, if you want this professional cast, now it'll take you a while to master that, but just throwing a bug out, no. Anybody can do that. I've taught a couple of people, and it's like, and then you can work on making it pretty if you want to. But I have fly rod fish for years and years. Ooh, that's a good little spot. That looks good. Ooh. He's got a little pull to him. It's not big, but he's pulling hard. Got him just right too. Okay, we got another brim here. Well, I said it was brim. What in the world? It seemed like the other one, that's for sure. Look at this one. He looks definitely different, but he pulls strong. You see that? Oh, he's got a mouth. This reminds me of a warmouth. What they call a warmouth bass. Look at that mouth. That's like a warmouth bass. And I think that's what that was. Because he was black. He didn't look like regular brim. Big mouth too, so. Okay. Another brim here. He's decent size. Pretty. Got an orange breast. Look at that. Pretty brim. All right. Get this bug out. Hey guys, Gary J. We've had a great day fishing. Hope you guys have a wonderful and great day.